All right. Now, can you guys draw pentane? Pentane. Or not draw, but tell me the chemical formula of pentane. All right. So everybody gets C5H12. Let's take a look. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3. Similarly, 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So C5H12 is correct. Good job. So now if you notice, methane is CH4, ethane is C2H6, propane is C2H8.
Ma'am, how C3H8?
Sorry, my bad. C3H8. Pentane is C5H12. So what is butane, guys? Yes, C4H10. So I'm just going to write that down. So clearly you can see that the carbon is increasing 1, 1 in number. Okay.
I'm
so
at
this
C4H10.
Very good. Yes. So you can see that carbon is increasing 1, 1 in number, obviously. But what about hydrogens? Notice the number of hydrogens. What is happening to hydrogen?
Ma'am, 2 hydrogens are increasing.
2 hydrogens are increasing. Yes. And if I have to write a formula for, some. So if I have to write a formula for these compounds, what do you think it will be? So let's say I have n number of carbons. So if I say I have n number of carbons, what will I write over here? H. So this is the general formula.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, CN H2N plus 2.
Excellent. Yes. CnH2n plus 2. So now see if this is valid. If I take n equal to 1, then how many H will I have?
4.
Yes. If I take n equal to 2, how many?
C2H6.
Excellent. So this formula is valid, right? So this is the general formula for alkanes. Alkanes are anything that have carbon in them and they have single bonds.
Ma'am, these are hydrocarbons.
Yes, these are hydrocarbons. That's right.
Alkanes are always a single bond.
Yes, alkanes are always single bond. That's right. Okay, now
Yes.
let us look at the next group called alkenes. Okay, so this is the general formula for alkanes, CnH2n plus 2. Now let us look at alkenes. Okay, so instead of ethane, I'm going to say ethene. Ethene have double bond over here between carbon and carbon, and this is the chemical structure of ethene, and the chemical formula of ethene is C2H4. Now can you tell me the chemical formula of propene? 3H4? 4 C3H4. Very good. Okay. All right. So now let's draw the structure. Okay. So I'm going to draw 3 carbons. Okay. And there has to be a double bond. So I'll draw a double bond. and I'll draw a double bond here. Now, if that happens, if I have two double bonds, then obviously I'll have only two hydrogens here.
4 electrons, ma'am. Double bond.
Hydrogen. Okay. So in that case, I'm getting C3H4. In another scenario, if I have C double bond C, and if I say C, then I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 1, and then 1, 2, 3. So in this case, I'm getting C3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, sorry. I drew one extra hydrogen. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C3H6. Okay, so what now? I'm getting two answers. So one of them has to be right, the other has to be wrong. Which one's right?
3H6 is correct, and also C3H4 could be correct.
Okay, so both of them could be correct. Okay, so in order to finalize this, let's do one thing. Now, this is confusing, right? We don't know what is correct. So what we'll do is...
Ma'am, Google?
Sorry?
Ma'am, do we Google?
No, we don't Google. No. So what we do is, now we use we did propene, right? Now let's do butene. Okay. So let's do butene and see what we get. C4, tell me what is the number of hydrogen?
8.
You think about it as well. Okay. So most of the people say it's C4H8. So let's draw the structure, all right? So I need more space. No, it doesn't more space. Okay. So C4, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I'm just going to draw a double bond, and then I'm going to draw a single bond and single bond. The other cases, I'm going to draw a double bond, and then single bond. The third case, where it's single bond, and double bond. This is the same as the first one, right? So I'm just not going to do this because it's the same as the first one. Hydrogen, so I'm going to say C4H. So two hydrogens here, one hydrogen here, two hydrogens here, three hydrogens here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C4H8. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, nothing over here. All right. 1, 2, then 1, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So C4H6. Okay. So these are the two options I am getting. Okay. Now let us look at propene. So propene C3H6 was one option. The other option was C3H4. In butene, one option was C4H8 and the other option is C4H6. So if I go by this method, by both double bonds being side by side, then it will be C3H4 and C4H6. Okay, so can I create a formula for this, a general formula for this? NH2N minus 2. Okay, if I take N equal to 3, then 3 2s are 6 minus 2, 4. If I take N equal to 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 2. Yeah, CnH2n minus 2. Okay, and if I have this other formula, if I look at these other two things, this is C3.
But ma'am, how do we decide which one is? correct.
Yes, yes. Hold on. So C3H6 and the other one is C4H8.
CnH2n.
CnH2n. Okay, very good. So now how do you decide which formula is correct? Can't decide, right?
So
Okay.
one thing which you can see is that ma'am then put CnH2n, so that means that might not be correct.
What is it?
Ma'am, since you didn't put it in the poll, CnH2n, that I think we can exclude. So it's between C3H6 and C4H8.
Oh, no, 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 no. So right now I'm talking about this particular formula and this particular formula as a series. Why? Because these two formulas have double bond next to each other, right? So I'm not considering them right now. I already considered them in this particular formula. So right now I'm looking at the other two, where the double bonds are not side by side. Okay, so now let me tell you what the answer is. Basically, you cannot have double bonds side by side.
Ma'am, so
Okay.
it's butane is C4H8.
C4H8.
That is right. So if you want to confirm this, you will have to draw another one, which is pentene. But you don't have to do it. You can do it on your own time. But yeah, if you draw pentene and hexene and all of that, you will start noticing that it is difficult for you to get a particular formula. So the formula for alkenes, okay, so alkene,
C2H2.
that's right. So alkene and propene. Before that, let me just write down alkene to, sorry, CnH2n. Okay, alkane, CnH2n
N plus 2.
plus 2. Very good. Okay, so propene. So the question is, if propene has a single bond, how is it ene? Ene is supposed to have double bond, right? So how is propene ene? That is because even if you have one double bond, that is enough to call it an alkene.
Yes,
Okay? Does that make sense? Even if you have one double bond, it is enough to call it an alkene. In order for something to be an alkane, all of the bonds must be single bond. In order for something to be alkene, if there is just one double bond, it's enough to call it an alkene. Okay? Now, similarly, let us do ethyne is C2H2.
ma'am, it is alkyne.
Yes, this is an alkyne. Alright, so now can you guys tell me the chemical formula of propine?
C3H4.
Sorry, C3?
H4.
C3H4. Okay, I have one answer as C3H4. What else? Okay, Naisha also says C3H4. Ethan also says C3H4. Okay, very good. Can you guys now draw, those who have completed propine, draw butane.
C4H6.
C4H6 is one of the answers. Okay, so looks like, okay, so based on this, can you guys tell me the general formula of an alkyne?
CnH2n minus 2.
CnH2n minus 2. Okay. So let me just make sure that these answers are right. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is correct. Okay, so hydrogen, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, this is correct as well. Okay, so is the general formula correct? Okay, Arya also says CnH2n minus 2.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, after triple bond, we have to only give single bond.
Okay, what happens if you give triple bond? Again, let's see.
Ma'am, you said na they can't be together. They can't be friends.
Yeah, I said that, but just because I say it doesn't mean you should take it. You should try it, okay? So C triple bond C, there is one hydrogen over here and then a carbon over here. If I draw, can I draw a triple bond like this? If I draw a triple bond here, what happens to this carbon?
Ma'am, it will become 12.
Yeah, is that possible?
No, ma'am.
No. So we can't do this, okay?
Ma'am,
So if I put double bond, then what happens to this carbon?
ma'am, it will become 10.
10. Is that possible?
No, ma'am.
No, very good. Okay, so this is propene. Let's take butane, okay? So can I have triple bond here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then how many hydrogens will it have?
Ma'am, only one.
One or two? Totally.
One.
Okay, so one hydrogen here and one hydrogen here, right?
Yes, ma'am, 2.
2. Okay, so then if I write down this formula, it will be C4 H2. Now tell me if that is correct.
Ma'am, this formula is not correct.
Why?
And because if carbons are 4, then hydrogen should be 6.
Okay. So you're saying CnH2n minus 2 is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. That is right, guys. That is the right answer. Okay, so this is the general formula and alkynes have to satisfy this general formula. Okay. So this is not possible. Only one triple bond is enough. Okay. So I'm just going to erase this. So remember that these are the general formula of alkyne. Now what we just saw are combinations of hydrogens and carbons. These are called as hydrocarbons. Very good. Now let us take a look. It's not necessary that all the time we need to have carbon. For example, if I draw methane, methane is going to be CH4. Okay, so it's going to be C, H, 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 H. But that does not mean it always has to be H. For example, if I remove this H and instead of hydrogen, I'm going to put chlorine. So carbon has 4 electrons in the valence shell. Chlorine has atomic number 17. Electronic configuration?
287.
287. Very good. So chlorine has electronic configuration 287. So I'm just going to draw 7 electrons around chlorine. Similarly, I'll put chlorine over here as well with 7 electrons. And similarly over here. And similarly over here. So now, after chlorine shares one electron with carbon, chlorine ends up having 8 electrons. This chlorine also has 8 electrons. This chlorine also has 8 electrons and 8 electrons. And now this carbon also ends up having 8 electrons. So this, instead of CH4, will be CCl4. And instead of methane, this will be called as carbon tetrachloride. Tetra means 4.
And this is also a hydrocarbon.
You tell me, is this a hydrocarbon?
Ma'am, I don't think so.
No, because there's no hydrogen, then it's not a hydrocarbon. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Exactly.
Yes, Arya?
Exactly.
I can't hear you.
Mama was just saying exactly.
Oh, okay. All right. So, yeah, so CCl4 is carbon tetrachloride. Okay?